Hey, let me show you how to make a mega simple lunch or even dinner recipe. This is what I call Lempeng Tuna. Lempeng means pancake in Malay and tuna means tuna fish. Super simple, it only takes less than 10 minutes to make. So if you're on a busy day, this is the perfect lunch for you. First of all, we're gonna get some tuna. Then we're gonna open the tuna. Get yourself a bowl because we're going to drain away all the oil or water in the tuna. So now grab yourself a big bowl because that's where we're going to put our tuna in. Have a fork ready and we're going to scrape all our tuna pieces into that bowl. Next, let's crack an egg. After the egg, we're going to be adding in our plain flour. Next, our secret ingredient, Mak Tok's Rendang chili paste. So 1 tablespoon of Mak Tok's Rendang chili paste. Lastly, let's add in some salt. Right after that, we're gonna mix them all up and turn it into a batter. Now that we're done, time to pan fry our lempeng. Now to our pan, we're gonna add a bit of oil to it. Now that our pan is hot, we're taking around 1 tablespoon and we're gonna place it in the middle. This is a really tasty, quick and easy, high in protein snack that you can make. Top tip, I will say let the bottom cook a little longer so that when you flip it, it's a lot easier to handle. Now when you're flipping it, I'll recommend you using a spatula and a spoon at the same time just because they're quite fragile, so when you flip it over, you don't want to look like a scramble. Now I usually flip it one last time so that all my sides will be nice and brown. They look and smell absolutely amazing. Now that we're done, we're just gonna put them onto our plate. Now I'm gonna garnish this with some sweet peppers and spring onions. And here is our Lempeng Tuna. To my favorite part, time to tuck in. It's nice, flaky and moist at the same time. Oh. So good. It gives like a nice curry feel to it, but it's not overpowering. The fish isn't overpowering. All together, they blend out just so well. You gotta make sure you try this one out. If you've got any questions or suggestions, pop them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Jumpa lagi! Super simple. Now I'm gonna garnish this with some sweet